What's up, my friend? DK here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this playlist, your myEcon 2025 success stories. Today, we're diving into something that I just absolutely love. It's one of my favorite things to talk about. What happens when someone joins our team, they plug into our system, and they just start getting results right out of the gate. So I'm going to show you straight up what is happening, what is going on. Now, in a lot of the other videos, I'll be honest with you, I've shown you people that have over 200,000 followers on Instagram, people that have 40,000 followers on YouTube. All of them have gone through our system and gained, incredible results. Some people here, and these are the really, to be honest with you, these are the ones that I like to show you. Like I did in a previous one where I talked about a guy named Clifton who got started, who none of us have ever had any contact with, just came on board and just ran right from day one. Already ranked up very fast, already made a dozen sales in about a week's time. Today is kind of the same thing. It's all about plugging into our system, taking action, and getting results. So like I've shown you in other videos here, I'm just going to move this over to the screen so you guys can see it here. All of these people, so every single one of these people right here got started. They plugged into our system with the exception of one person. And that is in a previous video where I talked about a guy named Clifton. And he may or may not have plugged into our system. We don't know because we haven't been able to get a hold of him. He's just kind of doing his own thing. Maybe he has his own system. We don't know. But all the other people, okay, everybody else, all right, is going through this system here and they're plugging in, they're getting started, they're taking action. And today is no different. I'm going to show you today, right now, and I apologize for my voice being a little bit hoarse. I don't know why it's hoarse. It literally happened about 5 seconds before I hit record. Man. Anyway, pushing on through. So we're talking about David DeLeo Pisa. Hopefully I said that correctly. So David literally just got started about a week ago. So at the time of this video, it's the 18th of February. What I want to show you is this. Check this out. This is so cool. I love, love, love showing you guys this stuff. So I'm going to open up his sales so you guys can see it here. Like no secrets. I'm not like, whatever. We're not hiding anything here, right? So check this out. He got started. You can see the start date right up here at the top right. He got started on the 8th. So literally 10 days ago. 10 days ago, right? Plugged in, started taking action right away. He's been texting me saying, hey, just got started, just set up my affiliate links, just set up my domain name, got my funnels all set, going to start, going through the system and taking action. Boom. And then look at this, started on the 8th, right? 3 days later, makes his first sale. 2 days later, makes his second sale. Another 3 days after that, makes his third sale. And then makes his fourth sale in the same day. That's 4 sales. 4 sales that David's made in his first 10 days in myEcon. First 10 days plugging into our proven and documented system. I mean, and this is why, David's, by the time the next week rolls around, obviously he'll be at gold. He's very quick. He's already told me that he's very quickly working towards platinum. But this is what I want you to understand. This is what I want you to see, like normal, average, everyday people that plug in, just take action and get results using our system with myEcon. Like, I don't know how many of these videos I need to create for you so you can finally get it and be like, okay, I think this is actually working. It is, all right? And it's working for everyday people. So what did David do? What did he do to generate 4 sales in his first 10 days? Okay. You could do this too. He obviously got here into our system. Okay. And like he texts me, he's like, hey, I went through, I set up my app, which is all right here. Set up your app and your links. This video specifically is set up your domain links. We show you how to connect your funnels, set up your domain, get everything rocking and rolling, right? And then start promoting. Like I can't make this any easier right here. I mean, it literally says when you're ready to go, it literally says start promoting. You need to watch the video that says what the process looks like right here. And we show you how to go create the content, how to post it on social media, where on social media to post it. All very straightforward. And again, this is the exact same method, the exact same process. That's why it says understanding the process, getting ready for the process. We show you how to set up all your accounts, right? What the process looks like right here. Okay. What the process looks like, how to get good at the process, not only just how to post content, but how to get really good at posting. Again, all simple stuff. So check this out. We'll go over here to David's account, okay? And you can see this is David's Facebook profile. Not hiding anything right here. You can see obviously his links right there. You know, he just posted literally 8 hours ago, right? He posted the other day. 4 sales on autopilot. I mean, boom, and then it's like there's emails from myEcon. Congratulations on your new enrollment, right? And so what is he doing? Like, what is he doing? Obviously, he's sharing in his success, right? He's shouting out his success, which is obviously going to draw him more attention, right? He's got comments on that. And then he's posting videos. He's literally posting short form videos. Short form videos, posts. This is what we teach in our Facebook group. We go live 5 times a week. I show you guys this. As a matter of fact, it is 9:35 a.m. at the time of this recording that I'm doing right now, and I'm going to be live in our team Facebook group at 10 a.m. teaching this exact same stuff, okay? Stuff like that, okay? So he's literally just posting about his business, and he's using Facebook, and that's it. Short form videos, that's it. Posts, we share these ideas in the group. We also have this type of stuff in the vault. So as an example, if you come here and you go into our vault, okay, you're going to be in here. You're going to see all this incredible information. Webinar, we give you guys, I mean, everything. We literally give you everything. We give you webinar slides, testimonials you can use, video testimonials, written testimonials, speaking videos you can clone, non-speaking videos you can clone, global launch information. Obviously, we got the myEcon global launch coming up, right? Faceless videos you can go clone, and it just goes on and on. Engagement post. So some of those posts that David was using was right here in the engagement post. And then we have a lot of training documents, you know, what to say to leads, different hashtags to use, short form video training document. I mean, it just, again, just goes on and on. This right here, this is literally the stuff that David is using over on his Facebook profile. So plain and simple, my friend, all of these people that are getting these results, what are they doing? They're taking action. They're getting started. They're plugging into our proven to convert system, and they're doing the work. That's it. And you can see what David was doing. I haven't found David's account on YouTube. I don't know if he's using YouTube. And I don't think that he's using TikTok. I think he's literally just using Facebook right now. And that was, I think, another example I gave you was Misty. She is also just using Facebook. And again, she's getting results. She's getting sales, just like David. So, you know, you don't have to go crazy here, guys. You don't have to have a big following. You just have to take action and do the work. That's it. That's it. So do the work, okay? Do you want to make sales? Do you want to make more in 2025? Do you want to be part of a proven, documented system, a dynamic community? Do you want to be able to plug into live training 5 times a week so we could teach you, coach you, train you, motivate you, all of those things? Do you want that? It's right here. All you got to do is click the link in the description down below and get started. That's it. The only thing that's holding you back is whatever excuse you're giving yourself in your head right now. And it's all been proven wrong. Like, you have no evidence that you can't do this. Okay. It's just all fear and doubt that's in your head, and action cures fear, my friend. So if you need to see more of these videos, links in the description down below. You're going to see the link to this playlist. You can come right here. You can go through all these videos and see average, everyday, real people taking real action, getting real results. Okay. Plugging into a proven and documented system. Do the same. You want the results? Get started. That's it. Simple, easy, not really much more to say. So I hope you click the link down below. If you do get started, you're going to hear directly from me. I'm going to help you get plugged in. I'm going to give you instant access to our system, everything you need to get started, over $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership. Can't make it any more simple for you than that. Get started, my friend. If you have any questions for me, left my phone number right at the top of this video. send me a text. Ask me anything if you want, or just get started. If you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. It really does help the channel out. You'll be notified first anytime I put out new content here in this playlist or on my channel. Appreciate you, my friend, and I'll see you on the next one.